Ooh, got. Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today I am going to show you a tutorial on how to make rosemary mint toner. Yes, it's rosemary mint toner. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified of post video. And let's get started.
Check it out.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Okay cuties, the first thing like I did was basically like I had to go down. As you can see me, I went downstairs or went to the garden to go pick out some, to go clip some rosemary and also clip some mint. I clipped a few of them to make two different batches of different like rose toners. One's distilled water, the other one's straight up witch hazel. So I grabbed enough so I can like be able to make both of the mixtures. So I grabbed me some rosemary and I grabbed me some mint, which was a lovely day out today because it was sunny and it was very lively. And I also see more dandelion soon, but that's another video I'm gonna tell you guys. So stay tuned on my channel for the dandelion video. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, so don't even ask. But anyways, I basically, after I got the rosemary, I made two separate ones. So first I'm gonna show you guys how I made the distilled water one. Like basically you're gonna need distilled water, rosemary, mint, a jar, a pot to boil the water in, and 2 bowls and a strainer. So basically, first step I did was chop up the rosemary into the bowl and mint, and I mixed it up together. So basically where you can like, because once I need the mixture, because I need them all properly infused with the water. So I mixed it up in the bowl. I started put the water on boil. I'll have the measurements down in the description box or just right there on top of the video. I don't know which I'm going to do yet, but I'll have either one. And also once you let those boil, then you're gonna add in your you're gonna add the boiling water. After it's finished boiling, you pour it into the rosemary and mint mixture. Let that sit for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Then once that infused, then you're gonna let that, then you're gonna strain the water, strain the rosemary mint out and let the water sit for till it's room temperature. And once it's room temperature, then you're gonna just go ahead and bottle it up. I really like it because it is a spray bottle, and I like me when I put it in the bottle. Also don't forget to bottle it up. Forgot to tell you about that. Bottle it up. I made 2 of these. I made one for me and one for my mom, which I already gave to her. And I labeled them like so that it can be easy. I like how the labels of it is because it kind of looks faded, but it kind of like looks so cool. Like, yeah, like that one kind of perfume bottle thing. But I like that. But I tried it out. It doesn't burn like how the other ones would. Like I knew water they kind of like, at first it do itches, like don't get me wrong, that means if it itches or kind of like feels like that tingle sensation, that means it's working. And I definitely got the itch and tingle sensation when I was like spray this on after I did my morning routine or in parts of my morning routine, or when I went to bed at night and just want my face to be fresh when I wake up. It feels so soft and nice. I liked it. So definitely I say batch A was definitely kind of success to me. I'm just gonna have to try this out a little bit more to say if I fully like it. But so far I do like it because it has the benefits of it. So I say batch A is a good thing. So, but it's in progress. So I'm not gonna say for sure yet. And I hadn't really tried the batch C because it has to sit for a while. But I definitely know from previous like tries of it, it definitely works. Like for as in, not only does it helps like clean your skin and also get rid of your pimples and acne and stuff, it definitely helps taking off your makeup. Like I know you're like, really? It takes off your makeup? For real. Like say, okay, put some like say some what's it called? Eyebrow like pencil on. Okay, then wipe that off. Boom, it comes off like with that like pure instance. Like also cause I tried it before. Well, my mom made a batch. Well, yeah, my mom made a batch. Yeah, she made a batch of it before with rose. Was it? Yeah, rosemary? Yeah, it was rosemary. I was about to say rose petals. I guess I need to make one toner with rose petals. But yeah, she made it the same batch but without the mint like beforehand, and we tried it and it took off all our eyebrows. Not the eyebrow hair, but the makeup of it. It came off like it was like not there before. Like I'm telling you for sure, if you want a rose toner or you want the 2-in-1 helpfulness, you're gonna definitely need to make a rosemary and mint toner because it takes off your makeup and also hydrates your face and helps with acne. So definitely a plus, so definitely try it out. But I know for sure that the second batch will definitely gonna work for both parts, like getting rid of your acne, help like tone your face in, help like give it that shine back, and also rejuvenate it as well, and like help with anything that have skin irritation and stuff like that. Definitely, I know batch number 2 is gonna work. I'm still iffy about batch number 1, but it's a work in progress. We're gonna keep trying this on out. So I might tell you guys in the next video or next what's it called, update about the rosemary toner, because I'm gonna have to tell you guys about the other one. So when the next update, I'm gonna tell you about the rosemary distilled water effect, distilled water batch. Yeah. So yeah, I really do like this one. Well, I like it, but I can't say for sure I all like it, but I know I like it so far that it's like given to me about the benefits of it. So I'm definitely for sure I do like it, but to fully love it, I'm going to keep trying this out. But I'm gonna also tell you guys what my mom thinks of it, and also my sister, because we both been like trying to stay on our morning routines or our facial routines. So I'm gonna tell you guys about that in the next update. But yeah, I had fun making this because it was actually fun, because I never really made a rosemary toner. Yeah, I never really made a rosemary toner. I know I made like this other stuff, but I never really made a rosemary toner. So this is my very first time making a rosemary toner. Oh, rosemary and mint toner. Can't get the mint. But as for far as smell, you definitely smell the rosemary like loud and strong, and you smell a hint of mint. But I think it's perfect because it's not too strong, but it's not too loud or too quiet, because then you can't really smell anything. I think it's a perfect good mixture of the smell. So I'm for sure if you guys don't want your things to smell too much, but if you like your too much, then you might want to add a little bit more rosemary or mint, whichever you prefer. Or you don't want that much at all, just all you gotta do is just put a little bit less of the rosemary or mint. Like add like instead of like doing like, I don't know, probably 4 clippings of it, of each, get just like probably 2 of them, whatever you feel like it. But I suggest sticking to the method of how to make it. Just clip as much as you feel is right for you, and just go ahead and make it, because it is actually very good. Like, I would definitely recommend you guys try it out. So yeah, but I want to say thank you for watching this video if you guys enjoyed, and also comment down below part of the game didn't go well. Let me know so I can help you guys out in the comment section below, and also don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties. Cutie out.